Hello. In this video we will talk about how to use RinomXE. What is RinomXE? It is a 3 or more dimensional Euclidean graphics math thing. It just does math. It does not do graphics itself, but it can be used with graphics engines. So, to start, we instantiate it with 2 points and other things. Viewpoint, which is where your eyes are, and view at dimensions, which is where view plane is. Also X, Y, and Z dimensions, which dimensions are those. It defaults to positive is positive and negative is negative. So, next, we have to add points. Every point, including viewpoint and view at point, has to be same number of dimensions and floats. Shapes. We add shapes. Those are indices by what order things were input in. Like, say, we have a triangle, we input 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, it would be 0, 1, 2. In our numbering system. So, we do that, then we have to do 2D points, as in make 2D points, and then we can adjust them, reverse X, reverse Y, offset in 2D. We then set draw order. Draw order is in reverse, so like if we have 10 shapes, it will be shape 1, and if it was first to draw, it would be in the last index. If shape 2 was next after that, it would be in next to last. If shape 10 and was last, it would be in the first index. You always want to call reset, or otherwise reset it after using everything and being done with it for that draw call. Let's see, what else? This is a GitHub repository. As you can see, I have a license for it. Basically, use it as you will. You do not need to attribute to me. Thank you for watching. Or maybe not, maybe.